The topic of today's video is how to apply for level 2 options on Webull. Alright guys, so here we are on Webull and you can jump over to the custom section or the paper trade section. It doesn't really matter for the purposes of this tutorial. So I'll hop over to paper trade and I'm going to choose the options trading. Now inside here, you'll see I have an order book. But if you are not using my method, just right click add widget, and then click on order book. And you'll see mine is already on order book level 2. But if yours is not, what you want to do is right click again and then hover over order book and then just put it on order book L2. And then we want to click on subscribe to level 2. And that is going to open up our web browser. And inside of here, we will need to fill out a questionnaire. Tick this as truthfully as possible. Then you want to agree to the terms of service and then click submit. Webull will then decide what level of options will be available to you. It might even be level 3. But that is it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.